SKU won't get released. Now that brings it into your area of integration, Karthik.
Yeah, see, the touchable parameter you were saying it right. We normally go for a quality check. That is a main parameter when we are stacking any product into a retail store or into a warehouse, right? So that is the one of the fields, the key fields, I would say, other than the product names, the manufacture date, etc., etc. But the quality check is going to be the key factor we normally rely upon it. Now we are adding that touchable, or how do I say it? It's like I was working on a hackathon exercise, which we are trying to. The basic idea is smart warehousing. So I was working on it, and now I'm just doing the insert into the warehousing stacks. So people were saying it about quality check, still that area. Then we were discussing about whether it is sanitized, whether it is okay to have it, or when we are replacing empty stack into a product, whether that stack is already sanitized, whether it is cleaned up already, because we don't bother it. That is a standard operating procedure for the warehouse keepers. Like, there would be some quality checks, people would be there in the warehouse, right? They would be thinking of that, because that is the standard operating procedure for them. They would clean it up before they letting us to know, okay, this place is free now. But we are adding that is into a day-to-day process into it, right? So that is one thing. And the other thing is, like, we were talking about that online shopping or online website creation or e-commerce site creation, right? See, obviously, from a service industry perspective, it is going to be a new opportunity. But normally, I'm like myself, and I had a discussion with my leadership team also, right? So they were thinking about, okay, we can propose this solution to the customer, whether the customer will be happy and he will be like standing with us for a long time after the COVID-19 is also over, right? Anyway, one day or not, this COVID-19 will get over, and by the time this solution, whatever we implemented it is going to be in the somewhere else, like somewhere in the archive folder. That's it. So they don't feel like they invested it and they got the return on investment, right? So that angle also is going on, whether we grab that opportunity for a sake, like getting the revenue. Now we are getting a hit in the revenue because of the ransomware and other aspects, right? Grab that opportunity, or hold that customer for a long time. We'll explain the customer, okay, this is going to be a tough situation, but let's not invest here. This is going to be a dirty solution. Let's wait for some more time. Then probably we can go on investing. So something like that.
I recently got a WhatsApp forward like this. I'm not too sure if you have seen this. This is done by a company in Coimbatore. Okay, it's a food
Okay.
delivery product. Okay, so when they are delivering it, they have kind of put all this right now. It's pretty innovative. Okay, it kind of addresses that insecurity part. Who touched it? Now, even if you do online, right? Who all has
Mhm.
it been touched? Has the entire supply chain been clean? Okay, or if someone
Yep.
gets now, the key aspect of complaints and other things. Let's say I'm getting infected by an online delivery. Can I sue Amazon?
You cannot.
Mhm.
You cannot.
No.
If they have committed to telling we deliver clean products?
I'm telling you.
Well, it becomes tricky,
Yeah.
right? It's a gray area. We are not used to it. So that's where, and this is one thing about architecture, it excites me, right? It's like, as I'm talking about this, it only struck me the legal and the legal implications of that. So let's say we guarantee that we are doing all this, you are clean. Okay. And I walk into a retail space, try a cloth, and I got infected. And I had to spend 20 lakhs for it. I'm going to sue the retail shop to pay that money to me. Open area, right? We don't know how that case will go. Okay. And
Yep.
And I think it kind of relates to Karthik what you were telling, right? It's when you have those attributes, maybe it has to get surfaced somewhere else also. But that problem, interestingly, among both of you, one thing which I did here, I'll stop sharing. I just was one thing which I hear is the longevity of that. Okay, we'll hold that thing for Deepak. I think